What's going on, people? Back at it again with another amazing video. Today's video, I'm going to talk about Morph TV. Morph TV, it is a clone or a copycat or whatever you want to call it of Morpheus TV. Now, what my understanding with this Morph TV APK is that it does auto update, and also they have there's these guys that are trying to get this thing going. So I don't know who's the developers. I don't know who the modders are. If anybody out there that does know the guys, let me know in comments or hit me up on my Facebook support group channel, support group on Facebook for my channel, so then I could give credit where credit's due. But all I know is there's a couple guys that are trying to keep Morpheus going, and this is a clone of it, and it's pretty dang good. So enough talking, and let's get into it. So we're gonna open this up. The one thing I did notice that's different is that it doesn't have that background, you know what I mean? But I did notice it seems a little bit faster, you know, okay? And you're gonna see where it says update to the 169, but it's already updated to the newest one, the 169. So it's pretty much the same exact thing as Morpheus. You have your movies, TV shows, downloads. Disclaimer, I'm going to say it once and I'm going to say it 1,000 times. Do not download anything. You don't need to download any movies. There's no reason to, okay? You could just stream it off of the APKs or the apps that I show you, and as other YouTubers show you. There is no reason to download. I'm just can't stress it enough, okay? But that's that, and then you got your settings, okay? So we're gonna work into the movies real quick. Click into movies, and just like Morpheus, you have your trending, popular, your search, and then these here, you'll sign into your track account. It's real simple to do and easy to make a track account. So let's just go into trending movies, and you see how quick it pops up with your movies. And I like the interface. It's just like Morpheus. It's nothing else to say, but it's just like Morpheus. But for some reason, I feel like it does move a little bit faster. All right, so let's just go into one real quick. Let's go into the Incredibles. Now, at this point, I do notice that it does take a little time to load up sources, but when it does pull it up, it does, you know, find some reliable sources, you know. But like I said, this is just probably the first update that these guys put out for this clone. In due time, they'll probably push out more updates that make it faster. Honestly, I like Morpheus TV. It's just sad that the original developer just ended it. But at the end of the day, hey, one goes and another one comes. You know what I mean? So, all right. So you see how you have 1080p and there's two of them. So that's probably an open load. Well, let's open that up. Yep, there they are. Same way. You're just gonna click it, and it's gonna look for subtitles. You can turn off the subtitles. I'll show you quick how to do that. So let that load up. Second. And also, while it's loading up, see what I mean? There is some things that it does take time to load up, but what's nice about it, it will start right up. You see that? All right. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about to turn off your subtitles. Let this play. Okay, there we go. It's starting to play. But to turn off your subtitles, you see this here? You're going to click that. You're going to go up to that right there, click that, and the box will uncheck, and the movie's playing. Okay? And it won't show the subtitles. You got to make sure that little red box is unchecked. Okay? That's your movies. We're going to back up. Like I said, there's certain points in this APK that runs quicker than runs quick, and then there's some points in this APK that it does have some time to catch up. But all in all, it's a pretty good clone of the Morpheus. All right, let me show you TV shows just to show you how it's set up. Let's go into The Walking Dead, and then you see you have your seasons and then you have your episodes in it. Okay, So for example, let's go to, I'm not going to go into the newest season because I haven't seen the latest episode yet, so I don't want to spoil it for myself. So we're going to go to the first season. And as you see here, you have your episodes, right? So you click your episode, and it's the same way as in the movies. So you let it load up. You find, once it loads up, it's going to find your sources, and then it should pull up like this. And whichever you choose right now, I honestly suggest don't use anything that says unknown, because it's probably really bad quality. But you have your HD and your standard. But all in all, you guys understand how this works. You get into it, or actually right there, this goes to 1080. Boom. You, same way, you click into it, and it should load up. And once the subtitles load up and everything, you can easily turn them off and stuff. But let me back out of this, back out of this, back out of this, also here, back out of that. Now, I want to show you settings. When you go into the settings, you can actually change the player that is being used. You hit the player, okay? You can go down to right here. Where is it at? There you go. Yep, you go. Actually, nope, I lied to you guys. Okay, yeah, I read that wrong. I'm sorry, guys. So you can actually change it here that you can go a little faster, or you can make it work a little quicker. It does have autoplay. You can enable it. I think that feature is pretty good. You know what I mean? You can have the autoplay start up, and there goes your subtitles. You can enable it or just turn it off completely. Okay, back out of that. You have your providers, and here goes some of the providers, and they seem like they have a pretty good amount. You have your sources. Like I said, do not download. There is no reason to. And then you have this here. Turn it off. You don't have. I honestly will not turn this on for any reason. Just keep it off. You know, and the reason why is for that is there's a lot of bad things with that right there. Just keep it off. And plus too, if you ever stream, I honestly always run my Ipvanish, which helps protects me from the internet and any dangers that when you stream. Honestly, Ipvanish is the best. I pay a monthly there's a monthly fee. It's cheap as hell. It's easy to set up. I have links down below of how to set it up and how to get into it and stuff. It is real easy to do. It's not hard at all, okay? But I honestly suggest you to, if you go into this, make sure that guy is off. I can't stress that enough. If you look that up, it's not good for streaming. So, and then you got your notifications. You could turn them on if you want, but I don't. I keep them off. But basically, there goes your, it's called Morph TV. It's a Morpheus clone. And hopefully these guys that are working on this keeps it going, because I'm a big fan of Morpheus TV. It sucks that it went down. You know, the guy is like not working with it no more. But these guys that are working on it, if anybody knows them or knows their names, leave me a message. And like I said, I want to give props where props are due, because developers and modders, they are the key of making streaming the best. So let me back out of this and show you how to get this now. Okay, now if you don't have file link, it's easy to get. I have links down below of how to get it, and how to work with it. So after you get it and then download it on your device, okay, or if you already have it, what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up file link. Give it a second to load up, and then you should see this right here. Now, yours is gonna say code or enter code. It's easy to do. Just click it and then enter this code in. It's 645-39676. Once that's entered in, you're going to hit continue. Now, this is gonna pop up. Is my Apk Store for my channel. That's a welcome screen. You can read it if you want. You could dismiss that. And then it's right on the top. You see how it says Morph TV 1.69? Most of my APKs that I put onto the store have a date when I put them up and a little description. Check it out. But anyways, see how this upside down or this down? download arrow. You're going to click that, let it download. Once it downloads, some people's internet is faster than others, so it may take a little longer than mine's. Mine's is pretty quick. But once you get it, you see how it turned into a play button. You're going to click that, and then all you simply do is hit install. Hit install, it's going to install, and then once it's done, it's going to say done and open, and then you're good to go. And then you can enjoy the APK. Now let me back out of this. Now you guys have the way to get it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please like, subscribe, and share my video as well as my channel. And also, guys, check out my Facebook support group as well as my Twitter for my channel. If you guys have any questions, any comments, or any concerns, or even recommendations, or want me to do a review on an app, just leave that down below in the description, or as well on my support group. Join it, or on Twitter, and just ask away, and I'll reply back and see what I can do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and have a great evening.